Integrity. State Standard HS4.T.R3.C. Compare and debate the connection between a theatrical work and contemporary issues that may impact audiences. This above all, to thine own self be true, and it must follow as the night the day, thou canst not then be false to any man. Polonius, The Tragedy of Hamlet, by William Shakespeare. No matter how difficult it seems at the time, it's easier to do the right thing than to spend a lifetime regretting that you didn't. Robert O'Malley. The truth matters. You don't take shortcuts or play by your own set of rules, and success doesn't count unless you earn it fair and square. Michelle Obama. Real integrity is doing the right thing knowing that nobody's going to know whether you did it or not. Oprah Winfrey. Integrity is a tough word to define. It's a lot easier to describe someone with integrity than to say exactly what integrity is. Integrity is the decision to stay true to one's values, to behave the way you say you will behave, regardless of temptation to disregard those values. Integrity is in your decisions. The opposite of integrity, someone who lies to get what they want, makes promises only to turn around and break them, flatters people, is corrupt. Corrupt means a willingness to act dishonestly in return for personal gain.